So guys, welcome to another episode of Medyo Cooking Show, and today we're gonna talk about steak. We're gonna start with the very familiar terms, which is Angus and Wagyu. Angus and Wagyu are both breeds of cow. If you're a type na you want your steak that is meaty and less fatty, I would recommend something like this one, an Angus prime bone-in ribeye. Then if you want something that really melts in your mouth, you can get this beautiful A5 Wagyu. You can cook it at medium rare and it would melt in your mouth like butter. So we have our Australian Wagyu also. It has less marbling. The fat within the meat, that's called marbling. In Australia, the way they grade their steak is with MBS, so that's marbling score. So here we have marbling score of 5. In Japan, they grade their steaks with 8. So that's why you're familiar with the term na A5, A4. The higher the marbling of the steak you're getting or you're ordering or you're buying, the more tender it is. So if you're the type na gusto ka ang experience na melt in your mouth, go for Wagyu. And if you want something that you want to chew on, but it's still tender, but the taste is really beefy, you have to go for Angus. So if you want to try these steaks out, you can come here at Fat Cow. We're open for dine-in. But, of course, if you want to try cooking or maybe dining at home, you can also buy these steaks frozen or cooked. Up to you. It's up on our website and it's available every day.